escape function in Python we use to escape all special characters in a string to be used. Now, what does it do? Because we know there are so many meta characters we have, or some special sequence are there in your RE module. So wherever it is going to find any one of them, it is going to add a backslash before that, so that it is going to tell that this is a special character or a meta character which is used in the RE module. Now we just take this escape function followed by the string on which we are going to apply this. Now for example, you can see we have written re.escape a plus b asterisk c question mark. So here you can observe this plus is a special character, this asterisk is a special character, this question mark is also a special character in the RE module. So what does this escape done? So while it is printing this pattern after escape is applied, so this pattern is now holding the set of characters where you can see A is alright because A has nothing to do with any special character, but this plus is a special character. So as a result, it is adding a slash before that, slash plus. Once again, B is a normal character alphabet, it is going to be displayed as it is. And now when this asterisk has come, this is also a special meta character, so slash is added here. Similarly, C is a normal alphabet, it has been displayed as it is. And once again, this question mark is a meta character, hence this slash is added here. So plus, asterisk and your question mark, these are the three special characters we have. Before that, this backslash is added just to give an identification that yes, these are having a special meaning.